would show you what I'm doing in my little black book. I've already videoed these. I've showed you how I made them and how I've put them together. This is the first video that I did regarding these little 3-inch squares, and these are the ones that I continue to do, and again these are in a video that I'll leave a link for. This one was quite an interesting one because I used cabbage leaves to make these patterns. So if you're into cabbage leaves and cabbage leaves art, then please check it out. These are the images that I made. These are my most recent ones, and I'm going to upload the video of how I made the papers on my Gelli Plate and then how I constructed them to make these small collages. Putting 3-inch squares into a little black book might not be what you want to do. You might want to be a little bit more ambitious. But once you've done that, you can move on to something a little bit more grand. And here is some examples of a bigger black book that I have been working on over the years. And I think you can see that I've taken it a little bit further than the small 3-inch squares. So those are little examples of what else you can do. If you don't want to do something like this, you can make it into a more formal image. And these are examples of what I have produced using my Gelli Plate and papers. I hope you can see them and that there's not too much of a reflection from the window or the light, but these are cut out pieces of paper and then glued back together. Well, it was a bit like a jigsaw, I would think, a collage jigsaw. And here's another example as well. Sorry that it's a bit shiny. So those are my collages, colourful collage, and this is what I'm working on currently. So these are pieces of paper that I've printed via my Gelli Plate. This is a image I've created, and if you're interested I can show you how I did it and hopefully encourage and inspire you to have a go yourself. So if it's something you would like to see more of, please give me a thumbs up, and if you leave a comment that would be great, and subscribe, and then you will find out exactly when I'm going to upload my next set of videos showing you what to do with your collage papers that you've made with your Gelli Plate. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. So bye for now, see you soon.